Research shows that ceilings have a far greater visual presence than floors, and your first view of an interior space reveals, on average, 5 times more ceiling area than floor. This begs the question, why do most drop ceilings look like this instead of this? Decorative drop ceiling tiles have become increasingly popular over the last few years, and it's not hard to see why. The ceiling has a huge impact on the overall design of a room, and it's a phenomenal way to truly tailor a space to you and your personal style. But with popularity has come a dizzying array of choices in different materials, colors, sizes, different installation methods, health and safety approvals, and performance ratings, and big differences in quality, price, and customer support. The good news? There is a tile for every ceiling, and in this video I'll lay out some things to consider so that you can order your decorative ceiling tiles with confidence. The vast majority of drop ceiling tiles are made from mineral fiber. These tiles can be economically priced and offer good noise reduction, installation performance, and fire resistance. They are also familiar. Everyone has seen a drop ceiling full of mineral fiber tiles, and most contractors know how to install and maintain them. But that's not the whole story. Mineral fiber ceiling tiles are also, well, boring. Limitations in the manufacturing process mean limited styles. If you want a color other than white, your choices are reduced even further. They're also difficult to install, a pain to maintain, and need to be replaced relatively frequently. They're dusty, stiff, and prone to breaking, and love to absorb moisture. Sagging, staining, and mold are very common. Another popular ceiling tile material type is metal. Historically, they were made from tin and are often called tin ceiling tiles. Now, most modern metal tiles are actually made from steel. Metal ceiling tiles are available in a large assortment of styles and finishes. They are also fire resistant and dust free. If sealed properly from a quality manufacturer, they are mostly waterproof and resistant to mold growth. Unfortunately, metal tiles are expensive, and unlike mineral fiber ceiling tiles, they don't offer much in the way of acoustic or thermal insulation. They're also difficult to install because they're very stiff and have incredibly sharp edges. While not as well known as mineral fiber or metal, vinyl ceiling tiles have been in use for decades and continue to grow in popularity. Like metal, vinyl tiles are available in a huge variety of styles, from traditional to modern, and a wide range of colors and finishes, including translucent and transparent options. They are 100% waterproof, lightweight, easy to install and maintain, and moderately priced. We love vinyl, but like mineral fiber and metal, it does have some downsides. For optimal noise reduction and thermal insulation performance, an acoustic backer is required. Due to the lightweight construction, clips are sometimes needed to prevent movement in the grid. As is code requirement for all tiles, recessed lighting must be supported by the grid. All tiles have pros and cons, and we recommend carefully considering your specific installation, keeping in mind your unique wants and needs before making a decision. Whichever tile you choose, here are some things to look out for before making a purchase. At an absolute minimum, your ceiling tiles need to be Class A fire rated. Buying anything less isn't a good idea. Some styrofoam and styrene tiles claim to be fire rated or even self-extinguishing, but are actually quite flammable. Look for the logos of nationally recognized safety institutions and links to the actual safety reports and ratings. When researching your tiles, be sure to look for information about indoor air quality, water resistance, and hygiene. Does the tile create harmful dust and fibers, outgas, pollute, or foster mold and mildew? Certifications from respected organizations are another clue you're moving in the right direction. Products often look different online. Look for companies that offer full-size samples for you to order, preferably free ones. Installing new ceiling tiles may be one of the easiest DIY projects out there, but you still may have questions. Is customer support readily available? Are installation instructions and videos detailed and clear? There is a right tile for every ceiling, and knowing what to look for will help you buy and install that tile with pride and confidence. Here at C-Loom, we try and check all of the boxes. Our ceiling tiles are available in 40 different styles and 16 colors and finishes. Made from lightweight but durable vinyl, they are Class A fire rated, 100% recyclable, completely waterproof, Green Guard Gold certified for indoor air quality, and made in the USA. We do our best to provide detailed installation instructions, links to all of our safety listings and approvals, detailed product and how-to videos, and amazing customer service. If you have any questions or would like to see a free sample, please do not hesitate to give us a call. And remember, you belong under C-Loom.